The human brain is an incredible organ, a marvel of biological engineering. It's the command center of your body, orchestrating every function with precision. It controls everything you do, from the simple act of breathing to the complex process of thinking and decision-making. Understanding the brain can help you appreciate its complexity and the intricate processes that keep you alive and functioning. It also helps you understand how to keep it healthy through proper nutrition, mental exercises, and a balanced lifestyle. Your brain is constantly active, even when you're asleep, processing memories and rejuvenating itself. It processes information from the world around you, interpreting sensory data to help you navigate your environment. It allows you to think, learn, and feel emotions, making you who you are. The brain is a remarkable feat of evolution, having developed over millions of years to its current complexity. Scientists are still uncovering its secrets, using advanced technology to explore its depths. New discoveries are being made all the time, shedding light on how this incredible organ functions. By understanding how the brain works, we can improve our lives, enhancing cognitive functions and overall well-being. We can also develop treatments for brain disorders, offering hope to millions affected by neurological conditions. Let's embark on a journey to explore the wonders of the brain, delving into its mysteries and marvels. Together, we'll uncover its mysteries, one discovery at a time, and appreciate the universe inside your head.
The brain is a complex organ with many different parts. Each part has a specific function. The largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. It is responsible for higher-level thinking, such as language and reasoning. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain. It helps with balance and coordination. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls essential functions like breathing and heart rate. The limbic system is involved in emotions and memory. These different parts of the brain work together seamlessly. They allow us to experience the world around us. Neurons are the basic unit of the brain. These specialized cells transmit information throughout the body. Imagine them as tiny messengers carrying electrical and chemical signals. Each neuron has a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. The dendrites receive signals from other neurons. The axon transmits signals to other neurons or to muscles and glands. The connection between two neurons is called a synapse. This complex network of neurons forms the basis of all brain activity. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers. They allow neurons to communicate with each other. When a signal reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters cross the synapse and bind to receptors on the dendrites of the next neuron. There are many different types of neurotransmitters. Each one has a specific effect on brain function. For example, dopamine is involved in reward and motivation. Serotonin regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. The balance of neurotransmitters in the brain is essential for our mental and physical well-being.
Section 5. From Sensation to Action: How your brain processes the world. Our brains are incredibly complex organs that are constantly at work, even when we are at rest. Our brains are constantly bombarded with sensory information. Every second, millions of bits of data are being processed. This information comes from our 5 senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. Each sense provides a unique type of data. For instance, our eyes detect light and color, while our ears pick up sound waves. Taste and smell are closely linked, allowing us to enjoy the flavors and aromas of food. The brain processes this information in different areas. Each region of the brain has specialized functions. It allows us to make sense of the world around us. For example, when you see a beautiful sunset, light enters your eyes and stimulates photoreceptor cells in the retina. These cells convert light into electrical signals. This signal travels through the optic nerve to the visual cortex in the brain. The journey from the eye to the brain is incredibly fast. Here, it is interpreted as color, shape, and movement. The visual cortex decodes these signals to form a coherent image. The brain then integrates this information with other senses. It combines visual data with sounds, smells, and tactile sensations. It also draws on past experiences to create a cohesive perception of the sunset. Memories and emotions play a crucial role in how we perceive the world. This intricate process allows us to experience the world in a rich and meaningful way, making each moment unique and memorable. Section 6. The thinking brain: memory, learning, and decision-making. The human brain possesses an incredible capacity for learning and memory. These cognitive functions allow us to adapt to new situations. They help us make sense of the world around us. Memory involves storing and retrieving information. There are different types of memory: short-term memory, long-term memory, and working memory. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge and skills. Decision-making is a complex process. It involves weighing different options and choosing the best course of action. The prefrontal cortex, a region at the front of the brain, plays a crucial role in these higher-order cognitive functions. Section 7. The emotional brain: navigating the landscape of feelings. Emotions are an integral part of the human experience. They color our perceptions, influence our thoughts, and shape our behaviors. The limbic system, a network of structures deep within the brain, plays a central role in emotional processing. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure, is responsible for fear and other emotional responses. The hippocampus is involved in memory formation, particularly emotional memories. The hypothalamus regulates hormones that influence mood and stress levels. Emotions are essential for our survival and well-being. They allow us to navigate the complexities of social interactions and make decisions in challenging situations.
Section 8. A lifetime of change, brain development and plasticity. The brain is not a static organ. It is constantly changing and adapting throughout our lives. This remarkable ability is known as neuroplasticity. During childhood, the brain undergoes rapid development. New neural connections are formed at an astonishing rate. As we age, our brains continue to change in response to new experiences, learning, and even injury. Neuroplasticity allows the brain to rewire itself, forming new connections and strengthening existing ones. This adaptability is essential for learning, memory, and recovery from brain injury.
Section 9. Fueling the mind: nutrition, exercise, and brain health. Just like any other organ, the brain needs proper care to function optimally. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep are crucial for maintaining brain health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein provides the essential nutrients the brain needs. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain. It also stimulates the growth of new brain cells. Sufficient sleep allows the brain to rest and recharge, consolidating memories and clearing out toxins.
Section 10. When the brain needs help: neurological and mental health disorders. The brain is a complex and delicate organ. It can be affected by a wide range of disorders. Neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and stroke can impair cognitive function, movement, and other essential bodily functions. Mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia can affect mood, thoughts, and behavior. These conditions can have a significant impact on an individual's quality of life. Fortunately, advances in neuroscience and mental health care are leading to new treatments and therapies for these disorders.
Section 11. The ever-evolving brain: a frontier of discovery. The human brain is one of the most complex and fascinating structures in the known universe. It is a marvel of biological engineering with billions of neurons and trillions of connections, all working in harmony to create our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Despite decades of research, there is still much we don't know about how it works. The brain's intricate network of neurons and synapses remains a vast frontier, full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. However, advances in neuroscience are constantly expanding our understanding of the brain. Cutting-edge technologies and innovative research methods are providing new insights into brain function and structure. New imaging techniques allow us to visualize brain activity in real time. These advancements enable scientists to observe how different regions of the brain interact and respond to various stimuli, offering a clearer picture of the brain's dynamic processes. Genetic studies are shedding light on the complex interplay of genes and environment in shaping brain development and function. By understanding the genetic basis of brain disorders, researchers are paving the way for more effective treatments and interventions. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the brain, we can look forward to new discoveries that will transform our understanding of what it means to be human. Each breakthrough brings us closer to unlocking the full potential of the human mind, opening up new possibilities for enhancing cognitive abilities, treating neurological diseases, and improving mental health.